Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're watching highlights from Republic Day Parade. I already watched about Tablik's show and it was absolutely beautiful, so I'm so much curious about this video. And guys, please support me with your likes, comments, and let's go. Some helicopters. They're spreading something.
हेलीकॉप्टर में फॉर्मेशन का नेतृत्व करते हुए ग्रुप कैप्टन आलोक अहलावत, विंग कमांडर आशुतोष खंडूरी भारतीय सेना के ध्वज के साथ, विंग कमांडर अभिषेक मल्होत्रा नौसेना के ध्वज और भारतीय वायुसेना के ध्वज के साथ उड़ान भरते हुए स्क्वाड्रन लीडर अभिषेक शुक्ला.
Shower of petals. Great idea. Vividata main acta. Unity and diversity. I love very colorful costumes, yeah.
Approaching the saluting base, the European Union contingent with 4 flag bearers.
European Union,
Second ceremonial jeep carries the flag of
they
the
also
European
joined,
Union, symbolizing the institutional unity
Ursula.
of the 27 EU member states. And
Okay.
alongside the flag of the European Union military staff, the permanent military body within the EU's institutional framework. The left side gypsy aligned alongside the first to evade enemy
Surastra.
counteraction.
Looks huge.
And now, going past the saluting base, presenting a formidable combination of a long-range precision and overwhelming firepower. The Suryastra and the BrahMos, the Suryastra
BrahMos.
Universal Rocket Launcher System.
Hello. It was assembled with Russia, as far as I know, like India, Russia together.
And behind is the Integrated Operational Center, commemorating national victory during Operation Sindoor and inspiring the youth. The platform depicts conduct of operation in brief, led by Captain Samira Zenat Batar, showcasing the entire nation's effort in its success. A blend of
very
Virasat,
nice.
Vividta or Vikas. The Army's ethos of service before self. The combined military bands of the Parachute Regiment, Brigade of the Guards and the Rajputana Rifles comprises of 75 The contingent marching along Kartavya Path is from the Rajput Regiment led by Lieutenant Vikas Khatri, 21
Perfect
Rajput,
sync
which is one
in
of
their
the
movements.
oldest and most decorated infantry regiments of the Indian Army with over 250 years.
It looks so beautiful.
जोशीले कदमों के साथ आगे बढ़ते हुए असम रेजिमेंट के जवान कैप्टन आर्यन देवलेकर की कमान में, भारत की प्राचीनतम रेजिमेंट में से एक.
They're so beautiful, guys. I don't know.
फौलाद के जिगर की धुन, संयुक्त मिलिट्री बैंड दस्ता, सूबेदार तुल बहादुर थापा की कमान में 74 संगीतकारों का.
Jammu and Kashmir.
कैप्टन वेदांत सिद्धि के नेतृत्व में जम्मू और कश्मीर लाइट इन्फेंट्री का दस्ता इसी रेजिमेंट के.
They all have mustache, but
Going
I
past the saluting
noticed.
base,
Really,
the regiment of artillery.
all have mustache.
This is the largest and most formidable arm of the Indian Army, revered as the god of war. Its motto,
What is
Sarvatra
this? It is so
Izzat-e Iqbal.
beautiful.
And behind them, the combined military bands of the Bombay Engineers Group, Army Service Corps South and
This colorful uniform looks so good on them.
And behind them, we have Shere Jawan, the 4 Bhairav Battalion, the 6th Light Infantry Regiment, led by Major Anjum Gorkha. Going past the saluting base.
These are very dangerous, guys.
यानी
I
पशु
feel
दस्ते
it.
का स्वागत हो
Oh,
रहा है.
cameras,
हिमालय और
cameras.
सियाचिन के उच्च दुर्गम पर्वतों पर ये मूक योद्धा हमारे योद्धाओं के
What a
साथ कंधे से कंधे अधिक ऊंचाई
Cutie
पर भी
warrior.
इस सहजता से कार्य कर सकते हैं।
Oh, eagle also.
ब्लैक काइट्स शिकारी
It has
पक्षी
something on the
रैप्टर्स।
nose, yeah.
प्रसन्नता और गर्व का विषय है कि राष्ट्र सेवा में सतत तत्पर ब्लैक काइट्स आज परेड में अपनी उपस्थिति दर्ज करा रहे हैं। ग्लेशियर
of the 344 Missile Regiment.
Rolling past the saluting days are two formidable pillars of India's air defense architecture, the Akash weapon system and the medium-range surface-to-air missile MRSAM. The Akash weapon system led today by 01 Air Defense Missile Regiment. The motto of the regiment, Agratah Abhr, Vijay Sarvatra. Ever ahead, victory everywhere.
Akash, yes, it is very famous
Akash,
now.
India's first indigenously developed surface-to-air missile system. Designed to counter a widespread
Air defense is very important these days, you know. Indian Navy.
मोदी हमारे विशेष मेहमानों को जानकारी देते हुए इस राष्ट्रीय उत्सव सलामी मंच के सामने संभाल रहे हैं। उनके साथ लेफ्टिनेंट पवन कुमार, लेफ्टिनेंट प्रीति कुमारी और लेफ्टिनेंट वरुण त्रिवेरिया प्लाटून कमांडर हैं।
Oh, this is a double.
सलामी मंच के सामने अब आ रही है भारतीय नौसेना की झांकी। झांकी की विषय वस्तु एंकर्ड। झांकी का नेतृत्व लेफ्टिनेंट कमांडर रूपा अग्रसर भारतीय नौसेना को प्रतिबंधित कर रही है। ये झांकी
Here come the men and women in blue. Following the band, approaching the saluting days is the Indian Air Force marching contingent comprising 4 officers and 144 airmen and
Drone
and
Shakti.
Now, Drone Shakti, Eagle on the Arm, captained by
Eagle on the
Divyojit
arm?
Mukherjee.
I didn't
Developed
hear
by the
about
Corps
it.
of Electronics and Mechanical Engineering.
Whoa, looks
Showcase atop
advanced.
Drone Shakti are the flagship indigenous platforms conceived and developed by various commands.
Whoa.
These include engine-powered Kharga Chakra, Shakti Prahar, Navastra, Baz, Sudarshan, Dhruv Prahar, and Lieutenant Colonel Sudeep with Major Aditya flying the 2nd Apache.
वायु विचरण करते वायु योद्धाओं के साथ साथ सलामी मंच के सामने भारत की सामरिक शक्ति का प्रदर्शन करता हुआ T-90 टैंक और साथ में मेन बैटल टैंक अर्जुन। 77 बख्तरबंद रेजिमेंट के कैप्टन विपनजोत सिंह विर्क की कमान में T-90 भीष्म टैंक का मशीनीकृत कॉलम अपनी गर्जना से वातावरण को गुंजायमान कर रहा है और उसके ठीक बाईं ओर है 75 आर्म्ड रेजिमेंट के मेजर हितेश मेहता की कमान में
So another one.
DRDO की
DRDO.
ये लॉन्ग रेंज एंड गॉड। DRDO हमारी रक्षा सेनाओं को आत्मनिर्भर बनाते हुए उन्हें आधुनिक हथियार प्रणालियों से लैस कर रहा है। ये मिसाइल हाइपरसोनिक ग्लाइड मिसाइल है जो स्थिर और चलायमान लक्ष्यों को निशाना बना सकती है। कर्तव्य पथ पर भारत
looks so vibrant in general, you know, always parade.
CRPF marching contingent going smartly past Bala and Miss Surabhi Ravi.
Girl.
The motto of the CRPF, service and loyalty.
I like this on their head.
Going past the saluting base, the band contingent of the Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force, led by Bandmaster ASI Devendra Singh. This is the
hot-tempered boys.
Band marching smartly along the Kartavya path is the marching contingent of the Indo-Tibetan Border Police, led by Assistant Commandant Pagar Janardhan Kalu. 3 subordinate officers and 144
I like so much this decoration on their head. It looks very festive, you know.
Celsius.
There are many girls in the Indian army.
Following the band is the Delhi Police Marching Contingent led by Assistant Commissioner of Police Anant Dhanraj Singh IPS. 3 sub-inspectors, 44 head constables and 100 constables.
Again,
और अब स्वागत
camels.
कीजिए रेगिस्तान के जहाज का। ऊंट राजस्थान के थार रेगिस्तान और कच्छ के रण के दुर्गम
But this is
इलाके
a
में
different
सीमा पर
contingent.
तैनात जवानों के एकमात्र भरोसेमंद साथी।
It looks
ये है सीमा सुरक्षा
so
बल के दस्ते में
colorfully
ऊंट चेतक पर सवार
visible.
कंटिंजेंट डिप्टी कमांडेंट श्री
On
महेंद्र पाल
the-
सिंह राठौर
I've never
और अब
seen a
सलामी मंच
camel,
के
by
सामने
the way.
पहुंच रहा है एनसीसी की छात्राओं का मार्चिंग कंटिंजेंट। 148
NNC
युवा
girls.
जीवंत छात्राएं उसमें शामिल। नेतृत्व उत्तराखंड निदेशक। मार्चिंग कंटिंजेंट के ठीक पीछे है एनसीसी का कंबाइंड बैंड। नेतृत्व बिरला विद्या बालिका पीठ की सलोनी यादव।
Wow.
The band is playing कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। And after
NSC
her,
boys.
here comes NCC Boys Marching Contingent. Contingent Commander, Senior Under Officer Tawheed
They
Altaf
really
of Jammu
look just
Kashmir
like one
and
whole
Ladakh
body, you know.
Directorate is leading the 148 boy cadets marching contingent. The cadets have been drawn.
My eyes are just, they don't understand what we
रफ्तार से
see.
वायु विचरण करता हुआ उड़ान भर रहे हैं ग्रुप
Rafael
कैप्टन अमित
fighter.
तिहानी।
And the
जोधपुर
aircraft?
से उड़ान भरी है।
Aircraft doing series of rolls, and now you can see Bajrang formation comprising 6 Rafale fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force.
Yeah.
Undoubtedly, one can say even
Very
the winds
brave
along
man.
the Kartavya path have stopped to stare at these Rafales. The
Rafael is very famous. I've already heard about it. Very beautiful view. Flags
flying
and
majestically
Rafael
up
jets.
over the skies, Captain
Yeah.
Akshay Kumar Raja with Commander Ashish Vashisht flying the PHI, and the Sukhoi 30 MKI of the Indian Air Force flown by Group Captain Jeetu Yadav with Squadron Leader Tanush Malik and Wing Maritime Reconnaissance and Anti-Submarine Prowess, and the Sukhois flanking it.
Oh,
The formation led by Captain Akshay Kumar Raja.
yeah, this
The
air
Constable
shows.
Saji KS
Oh,
of the SSB moves forward with courage and composure.
this is my favorite part. Last year I saw it. I was shocked to see that people do this kind of stunts on motorbikes. I was
A
like,
light breeze
what?
catching the flags, but
It's
definitely
impossible.
not throwing.
This person just rotating on this motorbike.
बहादुरी के साथ अगर
It
कुशलता
is
जुड़
very
जाए तो क्या
dangerous, you
परिणाम होता
know,
है,
risky.
ये परिणाम होता है।
And these are
और एक पंक्ति
girls
जो हम
also.
अक्सर दोहराते हैं ऐसे प्रदर्शनों में
Wow.
कि आप
Respect to all of them.
ऐसे प्रदर्शन न करें।
It's very risky, absolutely. And now,
Yeah.
going past the saluting base, we have the formation Jungle Warrior.
Jungle
Assistant
Warrior.
Commandant Rishu Shrikant.
This is
वायरलेस
a map.
कम्युनिकेशन डिजिटल इंडिया इंस्पेक्टर ज्योति
Digital
यादव
India.
और कांस्टेबल ताहिर एसएसबी अपने 10 साथी
Yeah.
जवानों के साथ
I like that
और
they
हवलदार
create
सहित
each year
आदेश
something
CRPF
else, something different.
अपने 4 साथी जवानों के साथ इस आधुनिक युग के डिजिटल भारत की नवीन संचार
It was a
तकनीकों
laptop
को
on her
दर्शाते
lap.
हुए।
What? How they
And
do
now,
it?
approaching the saluting base,
Oh.
the beam roll. Constable Shivalila of
Oh,
the
no.
CRPF, along with 9 fellow soldiers, performing the beam
What?
roll on a moving bike
If it's
at
a
Kartavya Path.
girls, really? They're so
It is said and very
strong.
rightly so that the most
Why?
effortless displays of skill and talent are
Very
the result
talented
of
people, all of
intense
them.
effort and showing here.
और अब योग की शक्ति, भारत हमेशा से विश्व योग गुरु रहा है। योग की आवश्यकता को समझाते हुए कांस्टेबल
words.
प्रकाश और नमिता एसएसबी अपने 4 साथी जवानों के साथ चलती बुलेट पर सूर्य नमस्कार की विभिन्न मुद्राओं में।
Wow. You know, guys, I always thought that Russia has the best military parades because Russia always prepares for it very well, and we also have a lot of different things. But now, really, when I watched Indian parade, I feel like it is also one of the best in the world because all of this organization is on a very high level with all these uniforms, beautiful uniforms, camels, dogs, I don't know, tablets. It looks so beautiful. I was mesmerized to see all these men in uniform and also with Raphael jazz. Wow. Especially, of course, I liked these motorbike boys and girls. They were just astonishing. Really, I don't know how they do it. Maybe I would love to do it myself, but I don't know. I don't like risky things, you know. Yeah, I'm afraid, honestly. So, tell me, guys, what do you think about this army parade? And I will be happy to see you in my next videos. Bye bye.